Today I will create a beautiful wet look.
Start with damped hair, so not soaking wet, you still want to have easy control. We start by sectioning the hair. Trace a straight line from the center of the forehead to the crown. You can use a fine-tooth comb or a chopstick, whatever you have on hand. We start with a very smooth base. I use the Cosmic blow-dry jelly for this look, and you can use about 2 pumps for each section. I will start in the front because I will make a curve there, and I love the Cosmic blow-dry jelly for wet looks because first of all it has medium hold, which means that you can easily shape and sculpt the hair instead of traditional gels that may dry stiff, get flaky, crunchy, you name it. It's all about creating nice curves for this look. To frame her face, I let a curve bend around her temple. This keeps her eyebrow visible. It also accentuates her cheekbones. See how I can still brush through the hair while keeping the shape steady? You just hold the hair and brush gently. And you can combine the sleek, divine look with some loose strands. So I like to add them here and there, even across her chest. Another great thing about the Cosmic blow-dry jelly is it helps to keep your hair healthy because it has acai oil, which is very nourishing, and it also gives a beautiful shine to the hair, as you can see here. You don't have to add other products. It's so versatile, that's why this is a must-have in my kit. For the final details, you can also use some chopsticks. You really can create versatile styles with this jelly, so I'm curious to see what you are going to make. You can make it more glam, vintage, or loose and organic. That's the beauty of this. For the final touches, I always move around my model and try to see the look from different angles.
What do you think about this beautiful wet look? Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorials.